Hi there, I'm Barnaby. Welcome to another video about the design of the intake system of our Formula Student race car in partnership with Graphite Additive manufacturing. So to understand how the intake system design affects the performance of the car, we modelled the whole powertrain in 1D using GT Suite. Now this allows us to change certain parameters and view the effects on performance. There are two main parameters that affect the intake design. The first is the length of the runners, and the second is the plenum volume. This year we found that a larger plenum volume and slightly longer runners show increases in performance. Simulating the engine in 1D can only tell us so much, so to see how the flow behaves inside the intake system, we use CFD to analyse flow characteristics such as pressure and mass flow rate. The rear of the car is quite tightly packaged, so the intake has to fit around the chassis and stay within certain boundaries. The plenum has been wrapped around the side of the car to allow for a bigger volume. And having the 3D printed part allows for a continuous curved shape which increases airflow to the engine, which improves overall performance.